I would like to present to you my project of MultiComfort house in Dubai. One of the basic conditions of MultiComfort house is energy demand as in the passive houses. This is mainly due to the shape factor of the building, which can be influenced by geometry. My proportional base is on the round matter. I divided the mass into the several objects because the erosion of the ground floor, and consequently I set them differently in the height. The solution will provide views into the different directions for all inhabitants. The final mass creates the contrast between the surrounding vertical rectangular built-up area, but also links the lightweight mass of the adjacent library. The parterre opens toward the bay with overlook into the Dubai Festival City. There is the polyfunction with a small square in the parterre. This square connects the seafront and also the rest of the cultural village with the pedestrian overpass. There are driveways to the apartment building, the polyfunction supply, and the parking for visitors from the rear of the building. The space of the parterre is partially shielded by the mass of the residential part. There is a membrane ceiling which is perforated in typical Arabic pattern. This shadow creates an interesting picture on the ground. The housing is hidden behind the double facade, which serves as the first obstacle to weathering, and thanks to the ventilation, we have a beneficial effect against the overheating of the interior. It also creates the organic appearance of the building. The roof is created with vegetation and plants. The whole roof is covered by perforated membrane ceiling that shades the plants and protects the ceiling structure from overheating. Photovoltaic panels are placed around all the roof. The benefits of the double facade are the thermal protection as well as the noise barrier for the exterior noise. The massive concrete ceiling have the bearing function and also an accumulative function. It can accumulate the cool created by ceiling cooling. Another function are the acoustic protection of the airborne sound and the fire protection with the reaction to fire A1. The floating floors prevent the prevention of stepping noise. The dual plasterboard walls are used between the flats with using the Rigip's active air acoustic panels. When designing flats, I used the terms 50 to 70 square meters per person. There are 10 apartments of the different size category with the possibility of the parking directly in the apartment on the floor. The parking is possible also in the front of the apartment or on the technical floor. There is a car lift, evacuation lift, and evacuation staircase in the middle. A garden of residential house with a perforated roofing will ensure a pleasant stay with a view of the surrounding architecture on the roof. The water surface contributes to better climatic and also feeling conditions. The stay in the square with pleasant views of the bay and the Dubai Festival City are mainly residential for the residential housing and also the public. Thank you for your attention.